Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Popping Luxury. Here are 10 insanely expensive motorhomes that cost more than a house. Number 10, 2020 Tiffin Motorhome Allegro Bus 40IP, $460,005. This Tiffin Motorhome Allegro Bus costs $460,000. That might be the price of a nice middle-class home, but if you think you're being stiff, think again. This motorhome is 41 feet long and has room to sleep 5 people, and also comes with 1.5 bathrooms, one which contains a double vanity. It comes fully furnished with beds, 1 king-size televisions, and a washer-dryer unit. When you get to the kitchen, you'll see a full-size cabinet big enough to stock all your favorite foods, a working fridge, and a water filter.
20 is Tiffin has gone back from the single farmhouse sink. They've listened to their guests instead of just going to a...
Number 9, 2019 Fleetwood RV Pace Aero LXE 36U, $253,306. The 2019 Ford Fleetwood RV Pace Aero LXE 36U is valued at just over $253,000, but it's currently on sale for $169,000. That's still the price of a smaller home in some markets, but it's still a nice discount. This RV, which comes in a 37 feet 7 inches, might not be the most expensive recreational vehicle. That doesn't mean you have to sacrifice quality. There's enough room to sleep 6 people. There's even a king-size bed in the master suite. Number 8, 2020 Winnebago Horizon 42Q, $490,000. The suggested retail price of the 2020 Winnebago is $490,000, but it's actually on sale for $368,000. At 43 feet 3 inches, the Winnebago Horizon has enough room to comfortably sleep 4 people. It comes with a full master suite, 1.5 baths, and even an electric fireplace. For entertainment purposes, there's an HD TV, a central audio system, and a home theater soundboard. Number 7, Tiffin Motorhomes Allegro Bus 45 OPP, $523,000. The Tiffin Motorhouse Allegro Bus is valued at $523,000, 45 feet long, and has enough room to sleep 5 people. The interior of the home is fitted with Tuscany sea salt tiles, LED light fixtures, carbon monoxide detectors, and surround sound speakers. In the kitchen, there's a convection oven with 2 burners, 2 pantries, and a fridge. The master suite includes a floor-to-ceiling closet, so you won't have to sacrifice style for spacing during your vacation. Number 6, 2020 Integra Coach Aspire 44B, $427,000. For $427,000, you might be able to own your very own Integra Coach Aspire 44B. At 44 feet 4 inches, this motorhome comfortably sleeps 4. From the inside, you almost can't even tell you're in the motorhome. This particular setup includes a master suite and 1.5 baths. The kitchen area has a dishwasher, convection microwave, and a refrigerator and ice maker. Number 5, Fleetwood RV Discovery LXE, $459,415. The Fleetwood RV Discovery LXE retails at the price I said, but it's on sale for $344,000. You could buy yourself a nice 2 to 3 story with that amount of money, but if RVs are your thing, then you're in luck. At 44 feet, this RV has enough room to sleep 10. Like many of the other RVs on this list, the Fleetwood RV Discovery comes with a master suite and 1.5 baths.
From either side of the unit, and if you choose to do so, you can have an option.
Number 4, 2020 Tiffin Motorhomes Phaeton 37BH. The 2020 Tiffin Motorhome Phaeton 37 is valued at $340,859. At 38 feet 2 inches, it's long enough to sleep 7 comfortably. This unit comes with amenities like home theater sound, a 3-bunker cooktop, and an expand-in island. The bedroom contains a queen-size bed, flat panel TV, and a DVD player, and in the bathroom are LED shower skylights, a vanity, and a 10-gallon water heater. Number 3, 2013 Integra Coach Cornerstone 45K. The 2013 Integra Coach Cornerstone 45K is valued at $249,999, but it's on sale for $10,000 less. It's 45 feet, 1 inch long, and sleeps 6. It comes with 1.5 baths and 1 master suite. The large living area, which includes the kitchen and living room, includes a sink, pantry, entertainment system, fireplace, dinette sofa, refrigerator, and more.
New additions that we've added here, we've gone to a single bowl sink.
Number 2, 2020 Holiday Rambler Endeavor 38W. The 2020 Holiday Rambler is 40 feet 1 inch. It sleeps 7 people and retails for $351,120. It's currently on sale for $263,995. That money will get you a fully furnished RV, which includes 5 couches in the living room. Then there's a whole private suite, which comes equipped with a king-size bed, cedar-lined closet, and a wardrobe. Number 1, 2020 Thor Motor Coach Aria 3902. For $244,955, you can buy the 2020 Thor Motor Coach Aria 3902. It actually retails for $325,350, but it's currently on sale. This unit is 1 inch shy from being 40 feet long. It sleeps 7, however there's only 1 master suite, which includes an inclining king bed. As great as that sounds, the bathroom setup sounds even better. Instead of having to fight over 1 sink, this bathroom comes with a dual sink. There are also 2 showers with LED lighting, a kitchen, and a dining area, and that's just the tip of the iceberg.
Or you can have it just for ambiance. I love saying ambiance. Over here in our kitchen area.
This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of our videos in the future. Also watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you'll love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video. So long.